Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another new lesson. Inshallah, in today's lesson we're going to be recapping lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. So what we're going to do is, if you want an in-depth lesson, you can watch the previous videos on my channel, Mubin Isa, and you can follow all the videos through there. However, in today's video, what we're going to do is we're just going to cover a recap and test your knowledge. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be pointing at some of the words, letters here, and we're going to try and guess them correctly, and then we're going to cover the top and focus on the bottom one and see if we can guess it that way, and then we can probably move on to this one or lesson number 3 over here. Yeah, so straight from lesson number 2 to lesson number 3. Okay, so this is just a test your knowledge recap. It's important to sort of just go back and revise if you get a little bit confused, and that way you can improve your Quran and Tajweed recitation and improve your knowledge as well. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What I'm going to do is, because this is a recap and we're going to be doing a test, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on here and we're going to point at some of the letters at random and see if we can guess them correctly, okay? And I'll pause and give you guys a chance to actually say the word as well, okay? So what do you think this one is? That's there. Similar with this one, there. Okay? This one, seen. Ain. Qaf. Noon. Ha. Hamza. Za. Blad. Ghain. Sheen. Ha. Kha. Dhal. Seen. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Za. Seen. Ha. What's this one? Qaf. Fa. Ya. Okay, so now it will get a little bit more confusing. What we're going to do is we're going to do the quickfire recap and see if we can guess the ones below. Okay, and I'm going to try and cover the top ones if I can, but it's going to be a little bit complicated. Okay, za, sheen, ghain, qaf, ha, noon, lam, wad, fa, qaf, sheen, fa, ha, kaf, ضاد, ha, lam, ghain. Okay, so we are getting better at it. Yeah, now obviously these exercises here are going to help you consolidate your learning, but what we're doing today is just trying to recap and see if we remember what the words are and the letters are. Okay, on to lesson number 3 now. Now obviously this is where it gets slightly more confusing. So again, we're going to do a quick fire test, but then what I'll do is I'll cover the top and we're going to have to try and guess what these letters are at the bottom, which is a smaller version of the letter here. Okay? Alright. Alif, Mim, Ain, Fa, Qaf, Noon, Ya, Fa, Ain, Ba, Mim, Ain, Lam, Ghain. Okay, So we seem to recognize the letters from the first part of the lesson. Now let's try and cover up. We're going to try and cover up. Hold on. We're going to try and cover up the top part, and now we're going to try and guess the first line at the top. Okay. Right, hopefully you can see these ones here. Yeah. All right. Let's try and focus. There we go. Okay. What's this one? Rain. What's that one? Da. That one? Ba. Rain. Fa. Again. Ba. Da. Rain. Fa. Ba. Da. Rain. Rain. Fa. Da. Ba. Rain. Fa. Okay, so we seem to recognize letters on the first line. Now let's move on to the second line. Okay, right, let's have a look here. What's this one? This is off. Meme. Noon. Ha. What do you think this is? That's a yeah. Yeah. This one? What does this look like? I think this is a noon. Yeah, let's have a look. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so this is how you test yourselves. What's this? This is a meme. Perfect. And this one? Off. Perfect. Okay, so we have done the recap. What I'm going to do now is we're going to do another sort of quick fire test before we move on. And obviously the next lesson we're going to have a longer sort of test. We're going to focus on a different type of sort of joining letters, how it starts at the beginning, how it looks like in the middle and end, and what it looks like. And obviously we're going to do another sort of recap lesson for the joining up letters. Okay, now let's have a look at this lesson again one more time. Alif, Ain, Ha, Mim, Mim, Ain, Rain, Da, Ba, Of, Mim, Ha, Ya, Fa, Ain, Ba. What's this? Da. Okay, let's get a little bit more confusing. Yeah. Now, obviously, let's see if we can recognize some of the letters through here. Okay. Fa, Ha, Rain, Ain, Da, Tha. Let's have a look. Is that Da? Do you think that's Da? I'm looking at it over here. Perfect. The same one. So we're correct. That's how you would check if you're correct. You have to go back and see if it matches the letter that we just looked at. Look. Da. Da. Yeah? Yeah. Another one. What do you think this one is? This one, I think, again, is a Da. Yeah? Tha, Ain, Fa, Ha, Rain, Off. Now obviously if the more down we go, there's double letters, there's two letters as we go across. Okay, so that's a quick fire recap. We're just trying to consolidate our learning. Inshallah, this is going to help you improve recognize the letters when you're reciting the Quran. And obviously if you do get confused, it's very easy. You go back to the beginning and you can see different versions of the same letter. So Ain, Ain, it looks like this, Ain. Anything that looks like that is a Ta, Ba. We recognize these letters, the big ones, but obviously in the Quran you have different versions depending on where the letter is. So that's how you improve your Quran recitation. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Inshallah, we will try and focus and do some more recap lessons and more consolidated learning as we go forward. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye.